So I can't log out apparently. Alright, let's see why. Users, there's a logout here. There's a logout endpoint. It's supposed to clear the cookie. So it should work. But it's not working because it says not found. Users logout not found. Users get logout. Is this a get request? It's not. That's why. Alright, so let's log out. That's all I had to fix. Okay, that's good. So let's save this. So let's log in with another. Actually, I'm not logged out. Can I delete 102? Can I delete 102 when I'm not logged out? I'm trying to make a secure app so only the whoever owns the student can delete it. Unauthorized, of course. What if I log in with another account, with the Tallyholic one, Gmail, and the password? Let's just say error. Oh, okay. What did I do? This is not the front end. Just push enter. Okay. So this is my information. Let's go to the dashboard. Different user. And I'm trying to delete 102. Actually, if I refresh this, it's gonna show some other students that I don't want to show because it's for my job. So, but if I want to delete these students as Tallyholic, it shouldn't work. Affected row 0. But it shouldn't even work. Okay, maybe because it's saying that nothing was deleted. Yeah, but that's okay. Affected row 0. So let's just see here. Yeah, that's okay. It wasn't able to do it. Why though? Because the student that I'm trying to delete, whose ID is 102, doesn't have the user ID that I'm logged in with. That's why. But I should be able to write that this is unauthorized. Oh, well, I'll fix that later on. So let's just try and log back in with Andres Colombia. There you go. Go to the dashboard. That's my information. And if I want to delete 102, it should work. And it did. And now that student doesn't work anymore. That's him. It's not there anymore. I want to delete all of this 103 to 109. Actually, just the duplicated ones. 10, 105, 106, 105, 106, 107, 105, delete it, 106, delete it, 107, delete it. Let's read them all. So I only have Pedro, Juan Sofia, Pedro, and Diana. All right, let's make an endpoint to edit and see if I have enough time. Yeah, let's make the patch endpoint. Delete patch. That would be just editing one part of the resource. That also has an ID. It's supposed to be a string, of course, and it's an async operation wrapped within a try-catch statement. And I'll just copy this, same answer. Actually, there's a faster way to deal with this making functions, but I'm just gonna do it like this. Got a result as well. This is very simplistic because I'm not doing any validation, but I'll take care of that later on. And why is this lagging? Okay, so let's write this SQL, which is update students, and I'm going to set. What do I want to change here? First, I want to start with the date of birth. Just go back to read all. I want to be able to edit date of birth and name. That's it, no more. date of birth and name. Okay, no more. So I need to get the date of birth and also the name. That's coming from the body of the request. Come on, why is this lagging? So if there's a date of birth, there should only be one or two. How do I want it in the front end? Let's just do both at the same time. Update students set date of birth equals to I think there should be a comma here. Set date of birth equals to placeholder, name equals to the placeholder, and to what resource, where id equals the, and also user id. Only whoever owns uh, this resource he or she is the only one allowed to make changes. And date of birth, again, validation will be done later. The IDs, the request, parents ID, which is this one over here, and finally the user ID, which is the request user ID. There you go. And I'll just send the response for with the result. That's very easy, right? Very short. Actually, I love doing this. You know, it's not like PHP. PHP is fun and everything, but it takes a while. It takes many lines of code. So let's do this. And I'll do validation later. I'm tempted to do validation, but I just want to keep it short. Let's make another endpoint here for students. This is a new request. That's going to be update student. And this is going to be a patch request. And that's going to be students and the ID of the student. What student do I want to update? Let's see. Let's update 103. Let's update resource 103. And Juan is going to be called, what do we call Juan? Let's call him Juan Andres. What about date of birth? Let's say this guy's date of birth is 20. I don't have students that old. Most of them are, I don't want to say, private. So okay, let's see, 12 February the 4th. So remember, when I'm creating the students, I have a date of birth of null because I want the teacher to create that later on. So I'm going to change Juan to Juan Andres, student 103. Let's see if that works. It says affected rows 1, and it says rows match 1 and changed 1. So indeed it worked. So when I go back and read Juan, this is going to be Juan Andres with a new date of birth. There you go. That's simple. Okay, and I'll do one part by one part. As long as I have the basic body of the endpoint, I will add validation later on. I don't want to spend time doing that.